You're watching Tech Vibe, the place where we talk about the latest gadgets in clear and simple words. No fluff, no confusion, just real talk about how tech fits into your life. Today, we're looking at something very different from the usual smartwatches or fitness bands. This is the Samsung Galaxy Ring. It's small, light, and designed to sit on your finger while tracking your health and fitness. No screen, no extra buttons, just a simple wearable that promises to work quietly in the background. The first thing you notice is the size. It's tiny compared to any smartwatch. The whole design is sleek and minimal. Samsung has made it look like a regular ring, so you can wear it anywhere without it standing out as a gadget. The surface is smooth, and it feels comfortable to wear all day. It comes in a few colors so you can pick the one that fits your style. The build feels solid. Samsung says it's water resistant, so you can wear it while washing hands, in the rain, and even while swimming. That's a nice touch for people who want a wearable that doesn't need to be taken off often, even though it's small. The Galaxy Ring packs a lot of sensors inside. It tracks your heart rate, sleep patterns, steps, and even your body temperature. All the data is sent to the Samsung Health app on your phone. You can see your daily activity, sleep score, and heart rate trends right there. One of the most impressive features is sleep tracking. Since the ring is light and not on your wrist, it feels less intrusive at night. The results are detailed, showing deep sleep, light sleep, and awake times. It also gives you tips to improve your rest. During workouts, the ring automatically detects activity like walking, running, or cycling. It logs your steps and calories burned. While it doesn't have GPS built in, it can use your phone's GPS for tracking routes. That's fine for most people, but if you're used to a smartwatch with built-in GPS, it's something to keep in mind. Battery life is another strong point. Because there's no screen and the sensors are power efficient, the Galaxy Ring can last up to a week on a single charge. The charging case is small and easy to carry, so topping it up is quick and simple. The comfort is one of the main selling points. Many people find smartwatches uncomfortable to wear all the time, especially at night. The Galaxy Ring solves that problem by being so small and light that you almost forget it's there. Of course, it's not perfect. There's no screen to check stats on the go. You have to open the app to see your numbers, and while it works well in tracking everyday fitness, it's not meant for detailed sports tracking like some advanced smartwatches. But that's not really the point of the Galaxy Ring. It's for people who want health and fitness tracking in the simplest way possible. No bulky device, no constant notifications, no extra weight. Just a ring that quietly collects your health data. If you're already in the Samsung ecosystem, it fits perfectly with your phone, Galaxy Watch, or Galaxy Buds. Everything works together through Samsung Health. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Ring is a unique device. It's not for everyone, but for people who want discreet health tracking and long battery life, it's a very interesting option. That's it for today's review. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where we keep tech talk simple and real. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.